In this video, I landed y'all to pick my outfits of the week on my Instagram story. Let's see how this goes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do lots of vlogs and DIY videos. So today's video I will be doing letting my Instagram followers control my outfits for the week. Letting you guys pick my outfits for the week. So last night I posted two different outfits last night. One is like a brown outfit and one like a blue outfit. And we're gonna see the whistle that what we be wearing today. And today is Monday. So go look on my Instagram. Blue got 62% and brown got 38%. To be honest, I was so hoping for y'all to pick brown because I really have not wear that outfit yet. I wore this outfit before, the blue one, on the spring outfits that I've done, but it's okay. You know, I'm wearing the blue outfit today for the Monday, so I will be back on here soon until I get ready, put on the outfit that y'all picked for the Monday, and I'll get my hair touched up. So I'll see you later. Okay, so this is the outfit, and y'all can see on the picture on the screen how it fully look like. And I got a bag. But yeah, this is the first outfit, and I really hope y'all pick the brown one. But yeah, I do want to take pictures in this outfit too to post it. I do want to take picture on this outfit too to post on Instagram, but it's not raining. It's not raining now, but it was raining earlier, and I don't know when it's gonna go back raining. And it's very cloudy today. So yeah, I really don't know if I'm gonna take pictures outside or inside. I don't know yet. I will figure that out later. But I thought I'd take a jewelry to put on for this outfit, and I'm thinking about putting on the butterfly earrings. I don't know, the earrings okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the outfit. I have the jeans on a white shirt, and this is like outfit 1 for today. So I'll see y'all later on tonight. Okay guys, so it's 8:00 p.m. right now. The day is almost over, but I'm gonna show y'all like what the day the outfit tomorrow is. For tomorrow it's gonna be Tuesday, so I'm gonna just want to show y'all. As y'all can see, this is like the jean plus I had this jacket. I really don't know what this called it, but I got my high waist jean, and this was like all black outfit. I got this purse with a gold chain on them, the black jean, and the leather jacket. So I'm about to put it on the floor and post it out on Instagram. Okay guys, it's the next day. It's Tuesday, so you know what that means. It means that it's another outfit for today, and y'all is picking it again. I picked out two outfits last night. How I said it before that I'm gonna pick outfit the night before I know exactly what I'm gonna wear for tomorrow, because it's 10:00 a.m. right now. So I pick out this like a high waist dark jean and a bomb jacket and my jean purse. And then the other outfit is I pick out a black leather jacket and a black high waist pants with a whipped on the jeans, and a black purse with a gold chain on it. So that one I pick out the two outfits, and y'all pick outfit number 2, the all black outfit, which I am very excited about because I really want to wear this outfit for today and to wear it. I hope it looks okay though. I hope it look okay. But let me get ready. Let me try to on and show y'all the result. Probably gonna do my hair. I mean, my hair's okay like this. But yeah, I better go put on the outfit now and come back to y'all later. Here is the outfit, which I really like. It's just very casual. It's all like y'all really can't see it zooming, but here are the full picture on the screen. I really like it a lot. The leather jacket and the hat, and I really think it's great hat. It's good with the gray sweat right here and the purse. I'm wearing the purse. But yeah, this is all I'm gonna be wearing for today. I might not keep on the black shirt because we're going out tonight for my boy's birthday and we're going out to the Braves game. Also hoping for y'all picking this. Y'all didn't pick the brown outfit. No. I was so hoping for y'all to pick this. But I really like it. Yes, it been. But yeah, I really do like it a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures in them. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It is Wednesday, and you know, it's another day for y'all to pick my outfits for today. And I put it out last night like I always do. Is, as y'all can see, I said which one and y'all picked the white one. And the white one is I'm gonna wear the white jean pants and the blue shirt and this orange plush that I just recently got. I'll be wearing that for today, and we're gonna see how the styles all together come together. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it on for you guys and I'll come back to the camera in a few. Here is the outfit. Like I said, I really can't see it fully, but here on the picture, that's how my full outfit look like. I would say I really like this outfit. Y'all really did this one good. And it's a bug, you know. It's a bug. I really like this outfit together. Y'all really did pick this one, white one. And I really like it a lot. I never thought that would put this outfit together. This orange bag with this purple top. I never liked purple and orange together. But it's not really, well, it's not a light color orange. It's not too bright. It's just a white color for orange. But I like this outfit. I really do. So I give this a big thumbs up. I really like this outfit a lot. It picks the full outfit and I really like it a lot. Yeah, that pretty much it for the Wednesday, and I will see y'all tomorrow. And tomorrow is, I'll see y'all tomorrow Thursday. So hey guys, so I am back and today is Thursday. Anyway, so y'all see on the screen that I put on my Instagram story are two different outfits what I'm gonna wear for today. But I would say the green was winning, but then it just went down. Then the brown one stopped winning. But then I wake up this morning, it was 50-50. So I'm like, I can't wear two outfits. I mean, I can put two outfits together. Wait a minute, but I can't wear two outfits. So now I just waited for a little while to get some more votes to come in on my Instagram story. And it did. And I can see, but the brown one won. So I mean, not my brown one, the first brown one, or the first beginning on Monday. Not that one. It's very different one. It's like a light brown hoodie, I would say. So we're gonna try that on. We're gonna get ready and stuff. I ain't going out today, but we're gonna get ready and stuff to be in the house. So yeah, I will come back to y'all later. Here is the outfit. Y'all really can't see it, but this is the light brown outfit I was talking about. It's in large, and y'all gonna see the full pic. It's on the screen right now. Recently, I was gonna use a white pants with this outfit, but I wear white pants yesterday, and I don't want to wear another white pants again. So I changed it into jean pants, with jean pants, and I would say this is very long. I mean, I can't. Let me see. I could show you to you. Hold on. There you go. This is how the pants look like. It's with jean, and y'all see how the hoodie look like. It's very long, but I want to like put it up like this. It would be cute to put it up. I might take a picture like that, but yeah. And the tote bag that I made, it look heavy because I got my books in here, so I think this is cute. Okay, so that pretty much it for the outfit. I really like it a lot. I never put the hoodie with the jean before. When I change it up, I like it a lot. Kind of chilly in Atlanta right now, so this hoodie is a good choice to wear right now. But yeah, that pretty much it for the outfit for today on Thursday, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay guys, so today is Friday. It's the last week, and I'm very excited because it's the last week. Or maybe I'm excited because the outfit that I pick out today, I saw it this morning. I'm trying to make sure, but I did saw it this morning, and it's a winner. But y'all can see the poll, you know, on my Instagram story that I pulled out. Y'all see the outfit left or white. And left got 17%, white got 83%. Ooh, I can't see, but yeah, that will be wearing today. I might wear, I don't know about the sweater. I probably will take it off, probably keep the white on, but for y'all, I will put it on for y'all. Put it on right now and see how it is. I don't know how to make this camera to make y'all for y'all to see my full body, but I don't know how to do that. But anyway, let me get changed and I will be back soon. Here's my outfit. Y'all pick this out with the white collar under my black sweater. You know, everyone was doing the twin like last year in fall, but the trend is still going, so you know how it look like. Here's the full pic look like on the screen, and I put this outfit very well. I just saying that I'm not gonna keep the black sweater on because it's kind of hot a little bit for me. It's a nice outfit, I would say. It's cool. Pretty much it. I would say that I don't know, should I pick my top favorites? My 5 top favorites of the outfit of the week. I would say, I think I would say Thursday is my favorite. Thursday is my favorite, and the purple wing shirt with the white pants is my second favorite. Oh no! Okay, this is my third. Y'all can't even see it. All black outfit is my third one. I would say the fourth one is the first week, and this is the fifth one. Like, nothing wrong with this. I'm just saying, like, the sweater's Comment down below if y'all want to see another video like this about an Instagram control my day or Instagram do this. Just comment down below. I will do it for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much all for watching, and I hope y'all had a wonderful, beautiful day. Make sure that y'all follow me all on my social medias. See ya.